we were forced to eat together every day. And I say like we were forced because if you're like a teenager, it's so uncool to eat with your family, isn't it? So my mum was like, my mum enforced that. And now I look back and I'm really grateful for that. I don't think that's a Jewish thing. I think that was her way of saying like we're a unit, and it's affected, us in our adult life. I mean, I'm also a chef, and I used to run a pop-up restaurant where everyone would eat communally and we'd all share, and all my sisters cook, and we all know each other's friends, and we are seen as, we're very much a hub for our friends, and our parents know all our friends, and everyone was always welcome in the house. So I don't know if that's particularly Jewish, but I did feel culturally different in that way, I think so. I think they wanted that for us, to have that sense of community, whatever that means. Yeah.